Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are well. This is our third tutorial from oliveitsolution. This tutorial is based on web designing and basic ideas of how to build your static website using HTML coding. HTML is the basic coding. So if you want to develop your website or design your website, you need to learn HTML. So we are using the world famous website W3 School to learn HTML basics and advanced level tutorial from this new channel, Olive IT Solution. Hope you are enjoying this tutorials. So now we are going to discuss about how to view HTML source. You have ever seen a web page and wondered, hey, how did they do that? View HTML source code. If you want to see the source code of any web page, you have to do this. First of all, click Control and U. If I want to see the source code of this page, Control U. Okay, this is the source code of that page. And if I want to see my page source code, Control U. Yes, this is the process. We can find the source code of any website, web page. Okay. And the other way is if you want to see the elements and source code of this page, you have to right click of your mouse and view page source, same page, same source. Okay, source code, and this is my source code. And this is the view page source code. Okay, this is the way we can find the source code of any web page. Inspect an element. If we want to inspect any element, I want to see the buttons element. Try it yourself. Right button and inspect. Okay. Yes, and this is the code of this button. I can find here. Okay. HTML exercise. Okay, we are completing this, and the next chapter is HTML elements. What is HTML elements? Okay, we learn from this chapter. An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. Okay, so this is very important. Start tag, some content, and an end tag. So this is the start tag, tag name, and content goes here, and this is the end tag. Okay, example of some HTML elements: H1 element, P element, H1, that is the heading element. Okay, and this is the paragraph element P, and this is the break element. We can see the note. Some HTML elements have no content, such as BR. BR element has no content. Okay, like the BR element. These elements are called empty elements. These elements are called empty elements. No, these elements is called empty elements. Okay. Empty elements do not have an end tag. Those which are the empty elements, they don't have the end tag. Now, nested HTML elements. HTML elements can be nested. This means that elements can contain other elements. Okay, the elements can contain other elements. Okay, all HTML documents consist of nested HTML elements. The following example contains 4 HTML elements. that is HTML body h1 and p. Okay, example. We can try it ourselves. Here is the code and the visible output of these codes is here. We can change something, and we are writing that Bangladesh, and if we click on this run button, we can see the change Bangladesh. Okay, so the important thing we have to learn that there has 3 elements, HTML body four elements, HTML body h1 p. Okay. In this our example we can find example explained. The HTML element is the root element and it defines the whole HTML document. Okay, this is the HTML element. It has a start tag HTML and an end tag HTML. Okay, then inside the HTML element there is a body element. Okay, this is the body element we can see, and in between the body element we can find the two another elements h1 and p. The body element defines the document's body. Okay, this is called the document's body and this is called the document's body. Okay, so it has a start tag body and an end tag with a backslash body. Okay, then inside the body element there are two other elements h1 and p. Okay, the h1 element defines a heading. I can find okay, if I put a h1 tag here, hello, yes, we can find hello. Yes, this is h1 element represents a section heading. It has a start tag h1 and an end tag less than backslash h1. Okay, the p element defines a paragraph. It has a start tag and end tag. Okay, never skip the end tag. Please don't skip the end tag. This is very important thing. Try it yourself. Here we can see the document has no end tag of p. Okay, if we put the end tag here and run, yes, no difference, but it's very essential to put the end tag of a document. Okay, this is very important. So then we can see, however, never rely on this. Unexpected result and errors may occur if you forget the end tag. Okay, I can show you the difference if we don't use h1 tag. So let's try. I just delete this and no change here. Okay, but when we are going to write another tag here such as p tag, p element. Okay, I will delete this and p element lorem 10, enter. Okay, no problem here. But if we do something here by changing the style and color red, can we find the coding? Yeah, that is the problem. Actually, I made change in h1 tag, but it's work on also the paragraph tag. That is the problem. If we end the h1 tag, what happened? Less than backslash h1 and close the tag here. H1, sorry, yes, this is the close tag. The style shows here hello on hello, but not on the paragraph. Okay, so this is the problem if we don't use the ending tag. Okay, so we can understand the importance to use the closing tag of an HTML element. Empty HTML element. Empty HTML elements with no content are called empty elements. The BR tag defines a line break and is an empty element without a closing tag. Okay, so we are using the closing tag here. Yes, and if we use a BR tag here in between the h1 and p tags, what happened? Okay, okay, we will use the BR tag into this lorem demo content. Okay, what happened? We have to follow that. Space BR, enter. Wow, the line breaks. Okay, after the word lorem we can use BR. What happened? Yes, the line break. Okay, and you have to remember that this is the BR element. This is empty tag, and it's we will use this tag to break a line. Okay, the BR element represents a line break. Okay, now we are going to learn HTML is not case sensitive. HTML is not case sensitive. This is very important. If we change the letter from the small letter to capital letter P, and we don't see any problem here. Okay, if we change these by capital B and capital R, no, there is no difference between okay, and if we change it as capital A, oh, no problem. Okay, so we can understand this, that HTML has no case sensitivity. HTML tags are not case sensitive. P means the same as P. The HTML standard does not require lowercase tags, but W3C recommends lowercase in HTML and demands lowercase for strike document types like XHTML. At W3 school, we always use lowercase tag names. Okay, this is the ending of this chapter, and we can find the HTML tag reference, tag HTML body, h1 to h6 tag. The description defines the root of an HTML by HTML tag. Body tag defines the document's body. h1 to h6 defines HTML headings. For a complete list of all available HTML tags, visit our okay. We can go to the next chapter. Yes, HTML attributes. This is very important. HTML attributes provide additional information about HTML elements. HTML attributes. All HTML elements can have attributes. Attributes provide additional information about elements. Attributes are always specified in the start tag Attributes usually come in name or value pairs like name value. The href attribute. The href tag defines a hyperlink. The href attribute specifies the URL of the page the link goes to. Okay, we can learn from here, if the a element has an href attribute, then it represents a hyperlink, a hypertext anchor labeled by its content. Okay, and href, what is href? Contains a URL or a URL fragment that the hyperlink points to. A URL fragment is a name preceded by a hash mark which specify an internal target location, an ID of an HTML element within the current document. URLs are not restricted to web HTTP based documents, but can use any protocol supported by the browser. For example, file, FTP and mail to work in most browsers. Note, you can use href, the hash top or the empty fragment href. Okay, to understand this, we have to use a hash tag and we can find the result. So here I am going to put a p tag, and in between the p tag I will call lorem demo tag 1000 and enter. Okay, now yes, I can see the paragraph here. So I need to go to the top. Okay, so I will use the a attribute here and use here hash and write down top. Okay, and we can see, yes, the top. If we click here, yes, we are going to the top of the page. Okay. Sorry, top of the page. If we click on top button, and it's the heading of this page, top of the page. Okay, now we are going with W3 school. You will learn more about links HTML. Click chapter, a links chapter. Okay, the src attribute, the image tag is used to embed an image in an HTML page. The src attribute specifies the path to the image to be displayed. Okay, example, image search, image girl, JPG. Actually we are using this tag to our document and load an image here. Yes, this is the image tag we are using. There are two ways to specify the URL in the src attribute: absolute URL and relative URLs. Absolute URLs, links to an external image that is hosted on another website. Example, search http www.w3schools.image.image. If we use this to our own coding, what happened? We will see that. Copy and we will paste it here. Okay, we don't need such a long paragraph. No, I don't need this So I will delete, and I will also delete this. Yes, delete. Okay. I'm going to add here an img. Okay. I will use the code from here and alter text W3 school. Okay, what happened here? W3 school. I don't get the image, and the alter text is here, and I need to use a break command here. BR, enter. Yes, this is the difference. Okay, we don't have the W3 school code. This is an example, okay? So we can use this. I think that we can find the image from that code. Okay, here is the problem. That is the reason we can't if we reload this page, no, the image is not showing in our browser. So I will copy this and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. Control V, and this is and reload. No, I can't see the page image here. Okay, absolute URL. This is the absolute URL, and note, external images might be under copyright. If you do not get permission to use it, you may be in violation of copyright law. In addition, you cannot control external images. It can suddenly be removed or changed. Okay, that can be the problem. If we search any image from Google, IMAGE, okay, and if we click on this photo and right button, copy image link, copy link address, okay, and if we paste in our coding, what happened? What will be the result? Okay, can we see W3 school? No, we can see the image from the Google. Okay, we can see this image. Right button, copy image address and paste it here, Control V. Yes, we can find the image. Okay, and we will use the width and height of that image, copy, and we will paste after the alter text, Control V. Yes, we can use the external link here, absolute URL. Okay, relative URL, links to an image that is hosted within the website. Here the URL does not include the domain name. If the URL begins with a slash, it will be relative to the current page. Example, image search image girl.jpg. If the URL begins with a slash, it will be relative to the domain. Example, search images image underscore. Okay, we can find this image. Yes, this is the image. if we give a backslash, no changes here, but if we write image, we cannot find the image. Okay, and if we go into our page folder and make a new folder here named image, and we put the image into it. Yes, and if we check our browser, we can find the image here. Okay, so we can understand the importance of this backslash when we are using the image search code, HTML code element. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in next video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.